Dupont State Forest was an absolutely amazing place to visit, especially when my family was in town from California. I got to take them up on a little quick loop of Triple Falls, High Falls, and Hooker Falls. What was really nice was that at Hooker Falls, you could climb in behind the falls and slide out underneath the falls, with water cascading down on you. There was also a lot of families that were swimming in the water. At Triple Falls, there are 3 different falls that combine to make one beautiful piece of natural landscape. And there are also a lot of different swimming holes. And when the water isn't too high, you can climb up the rocks to get higher. It is absolutely gorgeous. High Falls is above both Triple and Hooker, and at the top of High Falls there is an old carriage bridge. From there, the water flows down the whole rock, and it looks like a large water slide. However, I would not advise sliding down. Keep in mind, I'm only telling you of one hiking trail. Dupont State Forest offers many beautiful trails and even more impressive falls, including Wintergreen Falls, Grassy Creek Falls, and the popular Bridal Veil Falls, which is where part of the blockbuster hit The Hunger Games was filmed.